Hello everyone and welcome back. I am Pooja Upadhyay from Department of Advanced Management Studies, GS College of Commerce, Wardha. In my previous video lecture, we have seen the concept of digital marketing. In that, we also come to know that there are so many channels of digital marketing. These all channels we are going to discuss in this video lecture. So let's start. The very first channel of digital marketing is content marketing. It is an indirect form of digital marketing in which various videos, posts, blogs, then templates, social media content are considered as a content to market a particular product or service. This content marketing can be combined easily with other channels of digital marketing. The main motto of content marketing is to make the awareness of the brand. Here, marketer grabs the attention of the customer with the use of content and provoke them to know more about the brand, the product or a service. So, the next channel of digital marketing is search engine optimization. Whenever we want to surf on Google, the very first step we follow is to enter the keywords on the search bar. Then after that, the list of results appear in front of our eyes. Often we rely on the topmost results and even don't want to know what are the results on the next pages. So marketers knows the tendency of customers and for that they always try to appear their results, their websites on the front or the top of the Google results. So for this, the search engine optimization is utilized. In this search engine optimization, marketers, instead of reaching to the customers, they try to attract the attention on their websites. After that, the next channel of digital marketing is search engine marketing. We often confuse that search engine optimization and search engine marketing are one and the same concept, but these both concepts are different from each other. Search engine marketing is purely a paid form of digital marketing in which marketer paid certain amount of money to different platforms like AdBing, then Google AdWords, etc. to showcase their website or showcase their ads on the topmost of the search result. The results or the advertisement appeared with the help of search engine marketing are same as that of search engine optimization. Thus, only there exists a label on the top of the advertisement ad, which differs that search engine marketing from search engine optimization. The next type of or the next channel of digital marketing is social media marketing. It is one of the most popular format or channel by which digital marketing takes place. The power of content marketing is perfectly utilized in social media marketing. In social media marketing, marketer always try to make the content viral. So for this, there are so many websites which provides option to the customer so that they can share the content of the website to their personal social media channels or social media platforms. Now, the next channel of digital marketing is pay-per-click advertisement. In this pay-per-click advertisement, the marketer pay to the owner of the website or the owner of the platform according to the clicks made on the advertisement of the marketers. If he doesn't receive any click on his advertisement, then he does not need to pay a single penny to the owner of web page to the owner of web page or the platform owner. So in pay per click advertisement, the cost of click is all depend upon the trends of market. If the keywords of the advertisement are trending in market, then the marketer has to pay a large amount to the website owner. Otherwise, this per click cost ranges from $1 to $2 per click. The next channel of digital marketing is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be defined as the person or the marketer when make promotion of the online retailer on his behalf and get commission on the basis of the sales and lead generation for the product or service. In affiliate marketing, the marketer should know all the rules and regulation of the parent online retailer. Also, here in case of affiliate marketing, he cannot change the prices of product or services. This is very trending nowadays actually. The next channel of digital marketing is email marketing. This email marketing is one of the oldest forms of digital marketing. Basically, email marketing is utilized for maintaining the customer relationships. In these, the various forms of email like notifications, then thanking mail, then confirmation mail are sent to customers. The last one in the channel of digital marketing is influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is quite new form of digital marketing channel, but I hope that you all have experienced it. In this type, the social media content creator are considered as a influencer, and marketers approach them to make promotion of particular product or service. This on the basis of the subscribers or followers of the influencer, they are categorized into three categories like micro influencer, macro influencer, and the last one is mega influencer. In case of micro influencer, the number of followers ranges from some thousands to 1 lakh. In case of macro influences, the followers ranges from 1 lakh to 1 million, and in case of mega influencers, this number of followers is is in terms of millions. Depending upon the category to which influencer belongs, the prices of promotion varies. We all know that on Instagram, lot many celebrities promote different products and different services, and for that promotion they get lump sum money. There are so many YouTubers like Technical Guruji and then BBK Wines, etc. promotes various brands, and for that also they get huge amount of money. So influencer marketing, though it is new in nature, but trending at a high rate in today's 21st century. So these are all this is all about the different channels of digital marketing. I hope you understand these all. In the next video lecture, we will see some interesting concept of digital marketing. Till then, be safe and keep learning. Thank you.